Russian official Ramzan Kadyrov continues to abuse the population of the Chechen Republic. The Chechen people are forced to endure the tricks of the speedy Kremlin dictator. The other day, Kadyrov posted a video on Instagram in which he was shaved bald and urged all the men of the Republic to follow his example and shave their heads. However, his appeal or advice is popularly understood as an order. After all, one who doesn't follow such advice is perceived as his opponent and is punished accordingly. After this video of his address, all employees of state institutions were ordered to urgently shave their heads bald. There were audio messages where employees of various organizations are given instructions to shave their heads. They are also warned that drivers who didn't shave will be shaved by force and deprived of the car.
22-3 числа есть проверка решена по республике. Машин даст вещь больше. Квартал дабеш больше болчанна. Особой отметки номер записи решено, что он не является кадыровцем. Супания. Массаги доходит решено, чтобы не было других претензий. Цукой трду Ramzanic mirvola uhaca kvartos tabesbes és Ramzanic hirbudal mola.
Assalamu alaikum country. Shabol kamazist dusk bin khayushushin dusk bin watching garmashan ayakan shes watchushin dusk bin.
Thus, we see that the population of the Republic lives in constant fear. What kind of human rights can there be in Chechnya occupied by Russia if a resident of the Republic doesn't even have freedom to choose his own hairstyle? A person must shave when Kadyrov shaves, shorten his beard when Kadyrov does it, praise Putin when Kadyrov does it, and so on. It's not surprising that people are fleeing from there in search of a breath of freedom for themselves and their children. Unfortunately, some of these refugees are deported back by European countries.